You will likely find the RAG extension used for a RAGS game system adventure or as a RAM Advance Generator file. One serves as a container for interactive fiction, while the other functions as a structural engineering data template. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's determine if we are loading a text adventure or calculating the load limits of a steel truss. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single RAG file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. In the independent gaming scene, the RAG format acts as a compiled game file for the rapid adventure game system, bundling logic, room descriptions, and media into a single playable package. In a professional engineering environment, it is used by Bentley Systems RAM Advance to store specific geometric properties and design parameters used to automatically generate structural members in complex 3D models. Gaming RAG files are powered by a state machine logic that tracks player inventory and world state, often requiring a specific runtime to interpret the binary data. Engineering RAG files rely on finite element analysis protocols, where the file provides the mathematical foundation, such as material density and cross-section coordinates, to simulate how a physical component will behave under real-world stress. Official support for RAG is primarily provided through RAM Advance from Bentley Systems. To ensure the integrity of the system files, a dedicated utility should be used instead of Windows default. Windows may offer minimal previews, but complete visibility requires a compatible application. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your RAG file and select Open With. If RAM Advance is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every application. If your RAG file is not opening yet, that is normal. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, pinpointing the origin. You can usually tell these apart by their size and location. If the file is found in a game directory and is over a few megabytes, it's a RAGS adventure. If it is a tiny file, kilobytes, located within a technical project folder, it is an engineering generator. Opening the file in a hex editor can also clarify things. Gaming files often contain fragments of story text or RAGS headers, whereas engineering files are dominated by raw coordinate data and material codes. Next, execution and deployment. To play a game, you must use the RAGS player. If you're on a modern system, you might need a compatibility layer like .NET 4.0. For structural generators, you won't open the file directly, but will instead import it into RAM Advance to build a part of your building model. Note that because these formats are quite specialized, you won't find generic viewers for them in standard app stores. Finally, handling load and logic failures. If a game crashes at a specific room, the logic in the RAG file is likely trying to access a variable that doesn't exist. You may need to use a save game editor to skip that scene. If an engineering generator fails to create a model, the dimensions in your file might be physically impossible, like a beam with 0 thickness, causing the software to abort to prevent a mathematical error. Since thousands of developers share extension names, your RAG file may belong to a different program than the ones currently on your PC. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at FileMagick.com. Thanks for trusting me with your file issue. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.